Look, if you completely want to reprogram your brain in the next 42 days, the first battle of the day isn't won in your head. It's won in making your bed first thing in the morning. Why does a messy bed matter to your brain? Because it's about neuroplasticity. When you're rewiring those neural pathways, it requires discipline in every micro moment of the day. But when you make that bed first thing in the morning, that's your first win of the day within just a few minutes of waking up. You've now set the neurological tone for the rest of your day. But if you leave that bed in chaos, you're going to carry that chaos into the rest of your day. But a disciplined morning builds a disciplined life. What's one small win that you were able to achieve today? Please leave that in the comments below. And hit that subscribe button so we can continue your 42-day journey together.